Hey guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Tuesday, a happy 10 to 6. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. I'll go by a girlfriend forever, guys. You need to move to the next step. I know that there are a lot of women, they don't have a problem being a side chick. You know, sometimes a woman would say, you know what, I'm okay being a side chick as long as the main chick, she's still around. I'll not leave. When the main chick leaves, she also leave. And I don't understand. Can you please let's talk about this in the comment section. So anyway, guys, it's gonna just Temple season 4, guys. A episode 2. We can see Utirelo, she's talking with her friend. They're talking about she's getting married, guys. You know, she's not sure if she wants to get married to Spinde, guys. For those who have watched Izingane is the Temple season 3, it was revealed what if family Yakatirelo, they've rejected a bride price. Yakatirelo, guys, they say Utirelo, she's still young, she needs to focus. So Utirelo, guys, this season people are saying she needs to decide whether she wants to get married to Mpumelelo or not, because Tina, we are tight now. She looks like Mangwabe, guys. Ngiyahamba angisabuyi naku siyambona on season 9. So guys, yes, Utirelo, she's getting married to Mpumelelo finally, guys. Now naye uzoba unkosikazi waMpumelelo, guys. We know that it looks like Mpumelelo has a third wife, third girlfriend, or Mrs. Fortunate. You know, she's already now ukungena. So it's officially Utirelo, she's getting married, guys. So we can see Musamsaleko and Mpumelelo discussing amalobolo. You know, he also said that he needs to include Ulwandle, guys. So people are saying, oh, the last season we are focusing on Kwezi and Lwandle. So Mpumelelo and Utirelo, they better give us the content, because these they need to get married. They can't be talking about the same thing from season 3. Now we're on season 4. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about it? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment.